Yo. What's up, y'all? Right now, I'm trying to get the rare ringtone. The Discord ringtone real quick. So, yeah, let's get it. See, this is my alt. I'm using my phone for it, bro.
Honestly, you can't ask me.
Using my phone for it, so yeah. Anyways, let's see. Nope, that was not it. That was not it at all. So what you have to do is to make sure you get the rare ringtone. You can't just hang up and then do it again. So for this to work, you have to have. So for this to work, for the rare ringtone to work, I don't know why I just put this, but for the rare ringtone to work, really what you need is what you need to do is you need an alt. You need another device. You need another device. And then with that other device, what you're gonna do is I'm using my PC and my phone for this. So what you need to do is you need to continuously. So let's say the main, like the one that you're trying to get the ringtone on. So I'm trying to get the ringtone on my PC. I'm gonna have to keep on every time I get the call and then it's not it. I have to exit Discord. I have to close out Discord and then reopen Discord. So then it'll work. Because if I don't, then it's gonna keep on getting it's not gonna get the rare ringtone because it's in 1 out of 1,000 calls. It's a 1 out of 1,000 call thing. It's in 1 out of 1,000 calls. So now I'm going to, since I just got called, I'm going to exit Discord. Reopen Discord. I'm going to reopen Discord. Yeah. So there's going to be different parts of this video. There's going to be different parts of this video. This is going to take a long time, is it now? And those people that you be seeing getting the rare ringtones, they get it on command. Or they're getting it on command. And you want to know why they do it? Why they get it? They don't have a recorded piece of it. That's what I'm saying. They don't have a recorded piece of it from before. They didn't actually get this by themselves. There's this code that they use. There's this code. They know coding. They probably know coding. But they use this certain code. And then that code, it does the audio of the rare ringtone. So when you see those people on YouTube get the rare ringtone on command, they're not actually getting it. They're using the code to make it sound like they're getting it, but they're not. They are trying to tell you what it sounds like, yeah. But anything else other than that, yeah. This is how much times I've called. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 times I've called. I'm about to call myself again, I think. Nope, I got the normal one. And I don't have any code. Okay, I can show you right now. See? I don't have it. I can show you right now. See? This is Roblox. See? I don't have any code. There's nothing here. There's nothing here. See? There's nothing here. Nothing that shows that I have a code up. I'm just telling you guys that. Just telling you guys now. I don't have anything with the code. I don't have anything with the code up. So yeah. Just tell you like that. So you know, I don't use the code. I'm definitely not using it because I would have got it by now if I actually used the code. So what I'm going to do is exit Discord. And you have to continuously do this until what you're gonna do is you're gonna continuously do this, and there's gonna be different parts because for some reason my PC doesn't allow me to record for more than like 20 minutes or so without it being considered a live stream, sadly. Maybe because my PC doesn't have enough space, storage or gigabytes. So yeah, I think it's gonna take more than one part of this video, or this type of video, or this type of series, I should say, for me to get it. I'm gonna be here. How long has it been anyway? It's only been 5 minutes. I have like 10 more minutes of recording on this thing because I could only record like 15 minutes or so. So yeah. That's not it. So yeah, that's kind of dookie. You could hear my phone in the background. You could hear it in the background doing the call. So with the phone, you don't have to exit out the Discord with both of the devices. Only the one that you want to hear the rare ringtone on. Like I only want to hear it on my PC, so I only have to exit out on my PC. I don't have to exit out on my phone. So yeah. So, but I'm just telling you, if you don't keep on exiting out, remember it's a one out of. Remember it's a one out of. What is it? A one out of. So it's a 1 out of 1,000 of each call, and then if you don't know,
look what these cousins. Look at those cousins.
So if you don't like get out of the or if you don't like exit the Discord, it's not going to reset, because like you need to exit out of the app so then it could reset. Every time. So you see me closing and reopening Discord a lot today. I'm actually just gonna close YouTube real quick. Actually, no, I shouldn't, because if I close out of this, it's gonna lead me to no tab. I have to press this and then reopen the tab again. So yeah, I'm just gonna keep YouTube open. By the way, if you see some FNAF that I've been watching, I watch FNAF. I'll just tell you, I'm a FNAF fan. Just telling you, I'm a FNAF fan. If you see any FNAF, see any anime, I am an anime fan. If you see any FNAF, I am a FNAF fan. Just like this. I look at jump scares, cause yeah, and I don't. And don't ask me to play Forgotten Memories, please. If you guys know that FNAF, if you guys know the Roblox FNAF game Forgotten Memories, please, just please, please don't
Take the dog away.
Please don't keep on like spam me to play it. I will record when I want to play it. I will tell you when I want to play it. I will record it. Oh wait, this will work so well. Hold on, I need to do this. No, that won't work. Oh, this will work so well. I wish I could have blocked something. There's something that I specifically wanted to block. Oh, this works so well. There's something that I specifically wanted to block. You guys could have saw it, but I can't block it, sadly. Oh, that's cool. I don't want to see that. Anyways, time to get called again. Anyways, what? I'm gonna get called again. Nope, it's not. It's not the ringtone. I'm gonna be doing this for a long time. That's why I said this could be a series. It just takes a long time, especially doing it the legit way instead of doing the code way. Trying to be slick, doing the code way. I don't want to do it the code way. I don't even have the brains, and nor does my computer have the gigabytes, have the operating system, nor do I know where to access it, nor do I want to download something that I don't have it, that I shouldn't be using. So yeah.
So Andrew,
No, I am a bit paranoid. I will say that I am a bit paranoid. But who cares? Honestly, who cares? Yeah, what? Oh yeah, I'm a little paranoid. Oh, this one. There you go. So I'm going to do this little game. This thing. Stop being a kingpin. Thank you. There you go. Okay. This is gonna take so long. This series is gonna take so long as well. By the way, Ayush, I'm recording.
Oh, you got your own YouTube channel?
Yeah. You better subscribe. Once I give you the name, you better subscribe. Anyways. Yep. Let me get caught again. Oh, not the rare ringtone. This is what I want to hear. Okay, I'm about to play the rare ringtone for you guys. Yeah.
So, can you help me get the 250 kills with the kill streak?
In a second. I'm gonna do the 1 hour thing so then you guys can really hear it. What happened?
He wanted to put one inside the barbecue, and then BAM! He made it fall over. Now I have to clean it up, and now I'm about to be punished. Because I let him do that. Mommy did not allow us to put water inside that barbecue.
Oh, then why'd you do it? This is what it sounds like. So that's it. That's literally the rare ringtone. It's the freaking best. I'll tell you that. Sounds so nice. It's really rare. It's a 1 out of 1,000 each. It's a 1 out of 1,000 calls. So there could be 1,000 calls going on, and then each call has a certain amount of chance that you'll get it. But it's really rare to get. The normal one, I don't mind the normal ringtone, but it could be better. If they made the rare ringtone like the normal ringtone, then they made an even better rare ringtone, that'd be so nice. I'll just tell you that. That would be hysterical. Not like hysterically funny, like that'd be hysterically like good. That'd be so nice. I have like 2 more minutes of this, so I'm down to like my last 5 calls. These are going to be the last 5 calls. Telling you. And if you're wondering why I'm not doing the VS School and Mods thing, or this thing, it's Discord, but if I open it, it's not going to go to where I want to. And I left that mod anyway. And I accidentally thinged it.
So, Andrew, can you help me get that now?
There you go.
Oh, my friend.
This. So now when I open a new tab, all you see is
Andrew.
What? I can't help you right now. I can't help you right now. I am recording and I'm trying to get the Discord rare ringtone. I can't do both at the same time. I can only do one, and I choose the rare ringtone.
Okay, but once you get it, then can you help me?
It's gonna take a long time. This could take me a whole day.
A whole day.
It's a 1 out of 1,000 chance, or actually a 0.1 chance in getting. But why not? Try? Why not try? This is.
I don't think that's a good idea, Andrew.
This is going to be the last call, everybody. Let's see if this is it. No, butt cheeks. It's not. Anyways, I hope you really enjoyed this video. You better subscribe, smash the like button, because I'm spending my own time doing this. My time. You better go out and do it. And tell if you get the ring, if you get the rare ringtone, subscribe to me. Anyways, I love y'all. See you in the next video. Goodbye.